Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Spawn. It's just going to be the head. Very, very simple stuff, so let's get started, okay? Love the character of Spawn. It was my favorite comic growing up. I wish they would do more movies and bring him back more. I know he still has a comic, but anyways, let's jump right into this, okay? Step by step for beginners, all right? Real simple stuff. Going to go over here and draw the far side eye. It's basically a triangle. Going to go over here on this side for this closer one. Draw the top of that eye as a triangle here. Line down for the edge of the eye, down over here, and line in here. Line in here. Line right here for the furrowed, like the furrowed eyes of the angry eyes. So the creator of Venom, I believe, is the same, one of the co-creators of... Sorry, the co-creator of Spawn is also the co-creator of Venom. Or I think the creator of Spawn is the co-creator of Venom, I believe. So they're very similar in terms of their power set. Line over here. Pulling up. Up over here. Let's go over here to the far end. Out. Down. Down over here for the chin. So that's the edge of the jaw right here. Underneath the chin, back for this side of the jaw, and then pulling up. Okay, we got that so far. Going over here on this side, up, out, up over here, across, and down, in. Line out, line down, out. From here, up, up. Look at that shape. On his head, he has this cool design. In, up over here, curve up. It's basically like a bat, I heard, right? It's like a bat shape of like a up over here, arc, out, up over here, out, out over here, down, up, out over here, down, up. You have that symbol there, right? Let's go over here for the Adam's apple, pulling down, curve in. Line over here, maybe for the trapezius, line over here, trapezius. Line over here to the throat. Line over here for the throat. Over here, so this is all going to be black. I mean, I'm not going to fill it in, though. This is all line art. But I'm going to throw in a little bit of a line here on the white part. Line, line, line. I don't know what it is. It just looks like he's got a little bit of bag under the eye. And let's over here and find the cape. So down over here, down over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up, down, in, curve around. Right, that's the cape. We're gonna try to find it on this end, out over here. Kind of like that Dracula cape where it pulls up. Down over here, down over here. All right, and if you want, right here, I can put some dark, even though I'm not gonna do it over there. Right on. And put some dark over here on this side of the cape as well. Maybe even on this. Well, that's the neck, so I could pull that neck in a bit with that. This cool thing is you can always kind of adjust stuff. So yeah, that looks good. That is Spawn. Very, very, very simple version of him right now. You got a little bit of cape. Maybe I could put a little bit of the foldedness around the edge over here. Very, very simple stuff. So there you go. Right on. Just like, you know, the cape's kind of wrapped in there, but really simple. Love this character. Let me know if you like this character too. I want to see it come back, and I heard it is. I know I think they had like, in the comics, I think they had like the 300th or something. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Stick around for the announcement. After this, I'm going to tell you how you can do lots of other cool stuff and learn how to upgrade your art skill overall, which I have a section on that also. But thank you so much. I do appreciate it, and let me know your thoughts, and I'll talk to you next time, okay? See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.